So the first exercise is going to be that you put both hands, one hand on top of the other, on top of your sternum, your chest bone. You can kind of feel the skin. What I want you to do is just sink through the skin into the next layer of tissue so that it feels like you've got the bone. And what we're going to do is just do a breath practice. So we're going to breathe in for 3, hold for 5, and then out for 8. So that's a really long 8. On the out, your hands are going to follow the bone and keep the bone down when you then take up the next breath. Let's have a go. So if we go in for 3, 2, 3, hold for 5, 2, 3, 4, 5, and out for 8, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In for 3, hold for 5, 3, 4, 5, and out for 8, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So your hands are sneaking down. In for 3, last one, hold for 5, and then out for 8. On the last, this one, just pursed your lips and blow. And job done. This next one is with the same fingers that you did with that. Find the space between the ribs. So you've got the flat bone of the sternum and it goes off to the ribs. And I'm going to go to the other side, Shalou. So you're going to go opposite. Yes, there. Well, actually, sorry, I'm just going to. Yeah. Is that your left side, Shalou?
Yes.
Yeah. I just have to double check because, you know, there's mirroring things.
Yeah, I know.
So you want to get one finger in one groove and then one finger in the other groove. Yep. Perfect. Now, what you're going to do is you've got the skin in your fingers, sink through that tissue into the groove, and then slide that tissue out towards the arm. Perfect. And hold it out there. So this one, now this exercise, you're going to, if you blink, you'll miss it. So this is a real quick one. So what you're going to do is turn your head to the opposite side. Take a breath in and count to about 3 or 4. And then let the breath out for a 3 or 4. And then slowly bring your head back to center. And that's the job done. And so you can then go through each of the grooves. The arteries that go to the breast are between here. I think it's between 2 and 5. I go through this on my summit, on the other summit presentation.
Right.
And then they're the ones that come out. The rest of them go between the ribs. So we're kind of hitting 2.
No, I think this is very exciting because, you know, like now we all know from the new research that there is a fascia. I mean, you know, arteries have fascia, the veins have fascia. So there are fascial restrictions which happens in all part of it. So when you're releasing it, you're just releasing that. So which there's a fibrosis for any reason, for scarring, surgical scarring or radiation or chemo, or any stiffness like age-related stiffness. So I think this is really good. Thank you.